let's practice English together right now. If you want to practice English speaking, this vlog is going to be perfect because we're going to be walking right now around beautiful city in the evening, and I'm English learner. I'm going to practice my speaking skills, and with this vlog you can just chill, enjoy, learn some vocabulary. Okay guys, so here we are. I have just arrived to this place, walked out of this subway, and right here, look at this. We have padel. See these two courts for padel? Have you guys tried playing padel? Like, to be honest, it's very cool. Cause like I have tried playing padel with my friends, but it wasn't like this outside. Like this course are outside, and if the weather is good, we can just play and enjoy. But we played the like last winter, and it was amazing because padel actually is easy to play. Because before that we tried playing a big tennis, and that was super hard. Because like that was the first time I played big tennis in my life, and I watched that before on TV, and that was pretty easy. Like it seemed to be pretty easy, just swing with this rackets. But in real life, that's very hard to play big tennis. So we decided to switch to padel, and right here in our city, you can play. Also, we got this kind of greenery, flowers. And it is so cool, this bucket. It's evening in Moscow, yo. Yeah, I guess you need just to rent this court, like register somewhere on the website and play. They play 2v2, like 2 versus 2. 2 people versus 2 people. And the rules in padel are actually quite interesting, like you have to learn it. Nah, they play pretty good, by the way. In the evening we have many people outside. But like we are in the center, obviously. I'm gonna walk through the forest. I'm in the forest right now. Amazonian jungles. We've got some restaurants around. We got a big church. Look at this huge church. It's red and white. Yo, that's quite tall. Hey, that's a nice music. It's an Italian restaurant with spaghetti. Nice music. If you like reading books or just use PDF files to learn English, here is a tool that can make the process a lot easier. It's called PDNub, and it has an AI chat that I find really useful for learning English. For example, sometimes when I'm reading a book in English, I understand most of it. But you know, there is always a paragraph or a sentence that's just way too complicated and I can't understand it. So instead of translating every single word, I can open the book as a PDF file in PDNub, select the sentence I want to understand better, and ask the AI to simplify it for me using simpler English words. And now I can understand what the author is actually trying to say without constantly switching between different apps or translators. So if you want to try PDNub yourself, the link is going to be below in the description and in the pinned comments. Well, yeah, the game plan for today is just to walk. I'm going to walk, enjoy, I don't know, chilling this evening, in this lovely summer evening. Ooh, look at those dogs. And we got 2 more dogs like there. It's cute. So I'm in the center. I will walk a little bit down the streets toward one very beautiful square and one very beautiful park. I have been there only once, and that was my first time. I got impressed so much that I decided to just film a vlog there that's why today I'm going to be there again and show it to you, because that's going to be very cool, especially in the evening. Oh my gosh, like, to be honest, I don't really often visit this neighborhood, this part of Moscow, but Moscow is so big that we got just, it seems like we got limitless amount of places and streets to visit, to be walking in. And like, that street is amazing, especially when we got warm evening and when many people are outside, because like last few days, last maybe 4 or 5 days, were actually cold, and I was even wearing my jacket and jeans, but right now we're back wearing just regular summer outfits. So that's cool. But last few days were cold. I didn't want to go outside. I didn't want to film vlogs at all. Just, you know, and it's going to be about 20 minutes walk down this street. Nice American music. Welcome to Los Angeles. You see, guys, this street, this neighborhood is already so quiet. There are no people, no cafes, no tourists. I mean, it's just for locals. We got trees, narrow street, so quiet, like nobody's screaming and talking, like, I don't know. They probably have schools here, maybe kindergarten. Yeah, this kind of building. You see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors. Just regular people live here. Locals, you know. All right, and now I have come to the place I was talking about. This huge park and square. Oh. There are so many things to discover. Wait. All right, let's explore. There's the fountain. So I can walk up there and take a look at everything from above. Let's do this, by the way. Here we got stairs and seats. Let's sit with the audience. Oh, wow. Okay. Anyways, let's walk up there. So just speaking about this place, right there, that building is a railway station. That brown building, it's a railway station. It's going to be very high. We're going to take a look at the city from above. Yeah, well, look at this. Fountains with music. Okay. Right there we got a mall. Even like underneath we got a mall. Like the shopping mall is not outside but under the ground. And right now let's just walk there. And maybe I will buy something, grab some snacks, because I'm a little hungry. Do you want something to eat? Go to the kitchen, open the fridge and get some food, bro. Very classy, you know. This place is very classy because of this classic music. And here it is. Yes, sir. The entrance, just the streets, and right here a mall. It's huge. 3 floors under the ground, man. Can you believe that? They were just digging it up under the ground. Even like 4 floors. Wow. A cactus. Mexico. This is like a huge food court. Huge food court. Many restaurants all around with this floor. And tables to sit. Guys, I just want to get a burger so badly. Just one tasty burger. Alright, so I've got this kind of tasty, fatty, juicy burger and I'm gonna eat it right now. Junk food. But anyways, I will run in the evening and I will burn all these calories, so it no matter. To be honest, I don't even care about calories. I never count calories, so who cares? Good. Do you wanna try it? Take a bite. Take a bite. Try it. Good. Bro, I probably look so silly just sitting in the middle of the shopping mall and pointing my burger into the camera. I don't know, but after eating that burger, I actually start thinking that burgers in Burger King are better than burgers in McDonald's. Cause like, it tastes so naturally. Like, it feels like real natural meat, natural ingredients, I don't know. And in terms of cuisines, we got huge variety of cuisines. Georgian, Vietnamese, Chinese, Russian. I like that. Well, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this walking, this English practice. This way I practice my English speaking and you can do the same. And by the way guys, don't forget that I have a group chat for English learners on Telegram. You can follow the link in the description and in the, oh, it's dirty, I wanted to see it but no. You can follow the link in the description or in the pinned comment and join the chats where you can find a speaking partner to practice English together or make just friends from all over the world. Yeah, thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye bye. I will go home right now.